I think it's very, very important is for us to understand Brazil market because this is a very, 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 very important country in the Southern America. So we are very, very appreciated to be here to attend such an amazing show here. CNC is one of famous TV brand in China. It means China New Century. So that's the name, how it come from. Very, very happy here. The city is beautiful. Everything is well organized. So I can see the future economic here grow in a short time. Very, very hopeful. Yesterday began, but today there are more and more customers and citizens here. So we feel very, very confident and very happy to be in this show.